Oh, they got monkeys working for YouTube now? Holy shit, man. I don't know how many times I've had this thing pop up when I'm editing my videos and trying to put them together. Every single time. There's a screenshot. Screenshots frighten them. A team of highly trained monkeys has been dispatched to deal with this situation. If you see them, send them this information as text. Screenshots frighten them. Oh, we don't want to scare the monkey. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, scrapping with John the Picker. I got two car radios here I'm going to scrap. One's an Infinity tape CD deck. One's just a regular tape player. I'll let you see the date. 1988. It's an old timer. Get a good view of it. We're going to take them apart, see what's inside. Scrapping with John the Picker. Radio, we know it's going to have some tin in there. Aluminum. Let's take it apart, see what's inside. I got to pop some of these screws out. Bam, bam. All them screws, I'm going to take those out really quick. You see the bottom. Yep, scrapping two car radios. Show you what the insides of them look like here in a second. Scrapping, folks. Freaking scrapping. Break some boards here, folks. What? Home board. Electric motor. Capacitors. Alright, got a little bit of it exposed right there. Yep, gotta pop these sides off. More screws. Board. Let's see what's inside. A bunch of freaking capacitors. Inducers and shit. Them falling out. Those are inducers of some sort. Copper inside. Look at that. That's cool. Comes right apart for you, folks. It's gonna have some copper in there, eh? Look at them. All of them got copper. These are some kind of pop can capacitors. When they blow, the top will pop out. That's how you know if they're bad or not. I'm gonna pop the rest of this thing apart. I'll get back with you in a second. These little inducer friggin' things pop out. Copper comes out of them. We like that kind. Scrapping the car radios. Let's see what's in these beasts. I got it tore down as much as I'm going to tear it down. We got electric motors in there. Bunch of friggin' boards that I'm going to throw in the tin pile. friggin' tin pile. Nothing spectacular. There's an electric motor. That come out of there like that. Tape deck in there. That's where your tape slides in, ladies and gentlemen. And there's an electric motor. There. There. Capacitors. Resistors. There's copper in those, as you can tell. How much copper? Not very much. Not very much copper in those, ladies and gentlemen. Look, you tell for yourself. I got a little piece of aluminum. Show you the inside of that. Anybody that thinks I'm done making scrapping videos, you're crazy. Shouts out to everybody on YouTube. Piece of aluminum ski. Another electric motor. More capacitors. Yep. Scrapping a radio. Got me a little bit of aluminum. I'm going to snap all these little things off and get the copper out of them. Get all my wire out of there, obviously. Scrap the rest and snap all those little metal things off and get all the copper out of them. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Scrapping with John the Picker. Gotta get all my electric motors out of here. Hit them with a hammer.